Hey, it's Matt White with Converted Carts. I'm joined here today with Mark from MadJax. Appreciate you being with me today, Mark.
I appreciate you, bud.
Hey, so we are looking at the Alpha Body Series. This is for Club Car, Precedent, Tempo, and onward. Any model, I think pretty much up from 04
up, yes,
to
sir.
current. There's a couple different options, so we just want to kind of talk through that. So there's the base option that comes with a couple different things, either street or off-road. So the main difference between those two things comes in the grill. So this is the street version. This gets tabbed in, put in for that. It's got this honeycomb, everything is good there. And then the chrome look for the off-road version. So as far as lights go, we've got two different options. I've got the standard that comes with the standard Alpha body. This is an LED light that comes with the standard turn signal, that kind of stuff. And you've got what?
This is a new RGB MadJax Luxe Edition. So it's going to give you the daytime running light that you're going to be able to control the LED color. And I also get the color to run with it. It's just kind of the newest upgrade that's out there, as well as hologram headlights that you would see in most high-end vehicles.
So I'll cut in with a couple of cool shots of how this thing works, but it's basically, it's not just the fact that it's RGB and that it has, I mean, there's a lot of cool, fun, bells and whistles to it for sure.
Sure.
Yeah.
And then you also obviously get the blinker system, which will give you the self-canceling function of it, and a timer relay for the brake lights as well.
Got it. So with Converted Carts, we actually have the Luxe edition of this body kit. So that actually comes with the Luxe lights that we just were looking at, as well as the Luxe or the Deluxe grill, which fits in here nicely and includes daytime running lights here as well. And again, just gives the cart an overall just upgrade and increased look and feel as you're riding down the street and showing off for your neighbors there. This comes in blue, white, red, and black. And each of those comes in either the standard with the off-road or street grill, as well as the Luxe edition that comes with the Deluxe grill as well.
And just note, Matt, when they get the street edition, it is going to be a color match to the cart itself, so it gives you the finished look for the street edition. And then, of course, we have the off-road, which will be the chrome look. So
what you're saying, yeah, so each of these, this is the actual, and a little closer here, but honeycomb looking grill, and then this piece actually matches each color that has there. We don't have it with us right now, but there's also an additional add-on, which is a hood scoop that gives it kind of a badass look, just to kind of give it a little beefier look. So that's also an option.